Alright, good morning, everybody. I'm Seagull, and welcome back to our Man's Trading Podcast. Where the goal is to not lose fucking money right now, god damn it. But, right now, it's only Sun, SUNE, and NCRA is up today. NCRA is only at like 89%. Sun is at 168%. Fresh news about a merger with Suntiva like an hour ago. 2.73 million float, and the other one's got enters tax digital innovations group to establish venture platform and 12 million float. But it's a lot cheaper. This motherfucker's either gonna tank on me and it's gonna be a sad morning, or it's gonna rip the fuck up all stupidly. I would very much just like to be on the one that rips the fuck up all stupidly, though. Like, there's only two options. There's two. The lower float option usually wins. I don't fucking know. Like, I've gotten like a little subtle between 2 and 5%. Like, man, fuck all that. I want to win. I want to double my money or some shit. I want to see this bitch rip from 3 to 6. Like, fuck. I'd actually pick this up like 755, something at 8. It's the only thing up. It's gonna rip. No, of course not. Why did it rip? Okay, 8 a.m. damn sure gonna just now on up there. No. I don't think I'm trading tomorrow. This shit pissing me the fuck off. Like, I got it a good pullback to 200, or not 200, 220. I'm over here feeling retarded. We just gonna hang out. I feel like this had more potential. The song, not the stock. Come on, bitch. You just gotta get through like 330. Fucking 330, I make like 10 bucks. What's up, Hato? Morning, homie. Welcome to the stream. Something happened and nobody told me. Like, something always does something stupid and unexpected on a Monday. Bitch, if you don't go the fuck up, I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. I don't. Fuck this fucking game. It's like, how do you hurt the stock market? I guess we gotta get the Federal Reserve, huh? Make the market feel it. Stop them from printing more money. And watch these motherfucking prices and everybody, involved with them crashing out. Make it so that you can't print money, you can't borrow fucking against the stock no more. That's a crazy concept nobody seems to understand, is that motherfuckers are borrowing these bitches, pushing the price down and buying it back up for the low. You don't do this shit to me. Don't do this shit to me. Go the fuck back. Go the fuck back up. Fuck, yo. Just get the fuck through 330. At least tap 330 or 345, 347 one more time. 345. Get like a 2-cent difference off of that shit. So I'm like, oh, okay, you know what? It tried to retest the high a day before it fell, and I'm just a retard. Can you at least do this shit for me today? Like, fuck. This motherfucking shit make me feel like I'm retarded. Like somehow I'll get on the one stock out of the top 4 or 5 of these bitches that don't get no extra wiggle or move or retry or nothing. Motherfucker or some shit will rise up from the straight grave. Make new highs. I'm done. The whole point, if anyone that's catching the shit, is to try to make the shit a little bit more interesting. It's not working. This shit boring. I gotta put on like a football helmet or something. And like smash my head with a bat or something every time I lose. So I just have a concussion every fucking stream. Well, fuck, NCRA's down too. I guess this shit's all fucked right now. You motherfuckers better buy this shit up. Come on. You know you want to see this motherfucker rip up fucking, 1,000% for no fucking reason today. Come on. I hate this shit, yo. Every other fucking Monday, some dumbass move happens. Big veiny green fucking candles. There's normally a move that happens so big on Monday, I lose Tuesday because I'm like, oh man, there's gonna be another one. There was a big ass move yesterday. Come on, motherfucker. So we got support at like 280-ish. It'll most likely fall below that, and at least tap VWAP sometime between now and 9:30. Or right after 9:30. I just hope it tapped that bitch come back. It's got every reason to. It's the top fucking stock on the day. Every other fucking time, there's one fucking stock up over 100%. That one stock does stupid shit. care if you motherfuckers watch anyway. I ain't even want to turn the camera on. This is for my future kids, my grandkids. What was Grandpop doing when they was destroying the fucking country? He was trading stocks, telling people the fuck about it. They ain't gonna catch me complicit in this faggot ass bullshit they got going on. I'm gonna destroy Western society like I'm gonna just sit back and watch it happen. I don't give a fuck if most of these motherfuckers deserve this shit or not. I don't want to come back to more slavery. Fuck all that shit. But I know that's exactly where it comes back to. More of the same. Unless we make drastic changes now. And it start with the people in positions of power. Positions of leadership. Especially the ones that have been in positions of leadership for the last, I don't fucking know, 3 generations people. I feel like they should probably just be tried for treason at this point. Because what the fuck have you been doing if not destroying the shit deliberately? Make it make sense. Or that little tap to VWAP. So there's a crash through VWAP right there. The whoa candle that I should be selling on. Maybe not. Maybe the fuck not. And if it gets the fuck back up, this is a good spot. See, I was gonna wait for the pullback, and then it was like, every other time I wait for a pullback, it's like, oh no, we're not pulling back, we're just down on up. Yo, what the fuck is going on the stock market right now? Like, there's nothing, like, nothing's moving. Like, I could be like, alright, I get this, you know, this is failing right now, because X, Y, and Z are popping up. And it's like, I'm just a dumbass for holding for this long, but nothing's moving right now. There's no reason, like, something gotta get the wiggle. Motherfuckers gotta be trading long on something. Fuck is this bullshit up? We got FRSK just popped up 50%. FROSX. It's not a K. FRSX. Maybe not. So at 9:30, if this shit don't get the fuck out at my break even, I'm just gonna get the fuck out. I don't fucking care. I ain't sitting here all fucking day holding a losing stock no fucking more. But if I was short in this bitch, though, this motherfucker would have ripped. It would have ripped with no problems.
Keep running faster and faster. I don't know what we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster and faster. We're running like faster and faster.
Alright, we got back up over VWAP. MACD's positive. MACD positive down here. We holding at the VWAP line. See if it'll pew the fuck back on up. That's all I need. I just need to pop. Come on. Come on, you little bitch. Rip. Come on. Come on. Come on, go, bitch, go. Go, bitch, go. Big old green veiny bitch, let's do it. Come on, shoot up $2 in 2 minutes. Fuck these motherfuckers. Come on, Rip. Come on, Rip, let's go. Come on, let's go. I want my Lamborghini. My jet ski, my nice motherfucking house in Miami. Let's go. The beachfront. I'm gonna pay to get a bunch of crime started in a nice white neighborhood, and then I'm gonna have the residents of that neighborhood pay me to remove the criminals. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. That's the next plan. I feel like that's a doable one. It sounds like a working model, so like I know it's working. See it every fucking day. You create the problem, and then you scare the shit out of the people, and the people hire you to fucking solve the problem. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch, Rip. Come on, do it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, bitch. Alright, so this is either a little pullback or it's gonna fuck me. We're gonna find out together. Kinda hoping just a little pullback. I would expect it to just be a little pullback, but I've done that shit before and it just fucked me. No lube or nothing. straight dry. Ain't even buy me dinner first. Shoot. Yo, y'all see the shit that they just put into one of our fucking bills that they're gonna join the U.S. and Israeli militaries? Ain't it crazy? And the U.S., the CIA and Mossad, they're gonna join both of them. All of our motherfucking military defense and shit like that. We're gonna join with Israel. You know what I mean? God's chosen people. Y'all ready for that? Huh? Huh? Yeah, God's chosen people. God damn, we are cooked. That means that the Israeli intelligence just heard everything I just said just now. But I guess they probably did anyway. It is on YouTube. YouTube is recording, you know, their algorithm is pinging everything. I know that because they hit you with the copyright shit as soon as a fucking, 30 seconds of a copyrighted song plays. Oh, they know. So you gotta talk a little bit. Maybe they don't fucking get shit gets through the algorithm. Talk a little slow. Until they figure that out. I don't give us long, we were kind of cooked. Extra crisply, crackly. Oh. Come on, bitch, go. Quit fucking with my emotions. Come on, just create some generational wealth in 2 candles. Let's do it. Go from $2 to $300. Come on, rip. 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 Dirty bitch. My bad, I didn't realize my shit wasn't centered. Yeah. Man, fuck you.
To burn to no return. I saw you light matches, so we became ashes. Can't think straight. Is this my fate? Didn't think you would leave me. I'll never be set free. I tell myself, don't look back. He's not worth a single tear. Things will get better with time. Move on, forget the past. Feelings fade or disappear. Things will get better with time. All these thoughts are running through my head, 'cause your goodbye left me high and dry. No, I'm feeling so misled by all your lies. I'm high and dry, high and dry. I'm high and dry, high and dry.
Sun Nation Energy just posted something. Oh shit, hold up. Okay, so it just said that Sun Energy and Suniva entered their definitive merger agreement, creating a platform for American solar manufacturing, and services leadership. Which, if you motherfuckers aren't aware, all of our solar power come from fucking China. That's another thing that they didn't fucking tell us during the Biden administration. That everything for solar, Chinese, all of it, all the rare earths and everything, all the shit for the panels, all of it Chinese. Where they could manufacture the shit, all China. Bitch, you better rip. You better rip for America.
All the bad decisions, no, I can't stand to pay your pain. So long you've been a victim of the world we live today. What you know in love, no it ain't. If I don't fix the problem, then you gotta wait for somebody else. Can't let you get away, cause you've been through a lot that I never felt. So bad, the way they broke you down, close you off, and all you gotta do is take a glance. I'll make sure that it's your choice. We both got our voice. I'ma leave the rest to you if you want it. I know you've been hurt before and I'm sorry. I'm always alive, be there in your hard times. You're what I'm missing and I'm what your heart needs. If you need me, I'll be there in a heartbeat. You ain't a burden, all you needed was love, and they couldn't serve it. And all your love and searching, you couldn't find the right one, even though you deserve it. Now I'm right here with everything that you needed. Dry your tears. I could get your heart treated, cause what you know in love, no it ain't. If I don't fix the problem, then you gotta wait for somebody else. Can't let you get away, cause you've been through a lot that I never felt. So bad, the way they broke you down, close you off, and all you gotta do is take a glance. I'll make sure that it's your choice. We both got our voice. I'ma leave the rest to you if you want it. I know you've been hurt before and I'm sorry. I'm always alive, be there in your hard times. You're what I'm missing and I'm what your heart needs. If you need me, I'll be there in a heartbeat. It's your choice. It's your choice, baby. It's your choice. It's your choice, baby.
I have decided to write it every time you're in town. You can pretend I'm a bunny, I will pretend you're a clown.
God damn, it's saying on fucking Fox News that 5 people were just stabbed last night inside Penn Station. But, like, I thought we had a gun fucking problem, y'all? Like, we gonna have to ban knives, too? Oh, you know what it is? Is if them people, one of them 5 people were fucking armed, the other ones wouldn't have got stabbed. Huh. It's crazy how that works. It's almost like they don't want us to be able to defend ourselves. Well, they just imported a bunch of third world fucking savages. See, the difference between me and everybody else is I'm alright going back to prison. I mean, it ain't shit. I will do what needs to be done to defend my motherfucking family. Or whoever's around me, really. It ain't even gotta be my fucking family at this point. I just see some shit go sideways and I happen to be in the fucking vicinity and make a difference. I'm gonna make a fucking difference. Trust to believe that. Bitch, if you don't go to fuck up, god damn, there is no reason for this bullshit. Ain't nothing gotta pop. Wasn't no wiggle, nothing. Fuck, it just dinged my phone with a message about it, and it didn't even get a wiggle. Like, what the fuck is happening today? Oh, we got optimal cable popped up. This only popped up. This is 50% too. No, is this bitch. This motherfucker gonna get a dumbass rip at some point in the near future. And I wants parts. Like the optimal part would have been buying a motherfucker around 250. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That's where I should have held out around the VWAP mark, between VWAP and 200. But that's on me. That was that FOMO got me. I don't ever get shown to like new motherfucking traders. Like I don't ever have a single person ask me a single question at one time. Wild as fuck to me. Rip. Rip be glorious. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Let's go. Get through motherfucking my goddamn break even. Whoa, we see a big glorious Vady sub, bitch. Let's go. I'm not even asking for miracles here. Come on. Why the fuck is anything about sports in the fucking national news, yo? I will never understand this shit. It's almost like they'd rather keep us distracted with stupid shit than tell us anything of any valid importance. Like, I ain't turn on the fucking the news to hear about the fucking NBA finals. I don't give a fuck about the NBA. Tell me something important about what happened in the world last night. No, I can't get none of that though, right? No real information. So right now I'm just kind of hanging out, waiting for market open. It could get that volume to it and that push, you know, through the higher day prior to the market open, but it's unlikely. But I've seen it happen before. It just rips up at like 925 or something, and then straight down right after that. We'll see what happens. I'm sorry. I guess y'all want a motherfucker to be losing hundreds of dollars to watch, right? Because that's what's fun for y'all. Do that shit in paper. I wonder what the stabbing or yeah the stabber suspect was. Stabbing suspect was over here at Penn Station. I wonder what they look like. I know they ain't look like me because I don't know what they look like. So, because if they look like me, that's their face. We already know what their mom's name was and shit. Where they grew up and went to high school. It's crazy how it happens like that. It's almost like they only want to present the idea to the public that like only white people are mass shooters or murderers or whatever, when like that is so not the case at all. Like the shooting in Ohio yesterday, I still don't know who did that, and I guarantee it's because they don't look like me. When they don't have the motherfucker's like face and name plastered next to the incident, it's like, oh, thank God it wasn't a white guy. Oh man. And they finally showed a picture of it, and it is a white guy, and it's like, oh, it's a tranny. It's a tranny, that's why they ain't show everybody. It's crazy how many of the motherfucking stabbings and shootings and shit like that the last couple of years have all been transgender people. So we talk about that shit. Crazy as fuck. We are cooked. I'm just waiting for it to collapse. I'm thinking either they're going to shut the power off, or the internet off, or just straight, you know, the dollar to zero. Either or, any of them will get it done just fine. They don't got to, you know, expend any real energy. They come back in, declare martial law, take all the guns afterwards. They don't want that travesty happening again. What's up, Alex? Morning, homie. Yeah, we are done, man. We are done. After them Epstein files got released and like nothing changed. Or when the orange man got motherfucking office and nothing changed. Dude, it's been a slow morning on the chart so far, yo. This one was like perfect pop. I don't know why it hasn't yet. I was kind of sitting here and trying to rant a little bit, make shit a little bit more interesting. Oh yeah, always just loaded words. Well, I mean, the thing is, like, okay, we all know that every president running is like basically running on bullshit that they're never actually gonna do. You know, we're all aware of that at this point. But like, this motherfucker is like, yo, there's all this corruption going on in Washington. They deliberately were fucking me. Da da da. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get in there and I'm gonna do something about it. And he ain't do nothing. He got in there, he put on the little hat, he kissed the fucking wall, and he shut right the fuck up. And it's like, what the fuck is even going on? And we're just gonna sit back and let this shit happen? No protest, nothing, huh? They were eating kids. They're eating your kids. No? We're just... Oh, they're good? Okay, they're good, I guess. Like, the fuck ever. Like, where the riots at, yo? It's like, all the police gotta do is kill a man that look different from them, and there's fucking, you know, burning whole cities to the ground. The people running your whole lives are actually fucking eating your kids, and you're good with it? Alright, I guess. Like, it's what we're for. Shit, all the whistleblowers that they done murdered off, killed off in the 90s or whatever, they done said we only have the 2029 to 2040. They're going to depopulate the world down to like 2/3 of the current population by 2029 and down to 500,000 by 2030. 500 million. 500 million. Maybe 500,000. Nah, 500,000 sounds more right. I think that was what was on the Georgia Guidestone. Before they blew up all mysteriously. I just kind of hope every day that I'm just crazy, and it's like every day something I see proves to me that I'm not crazy and that we're in trouble. So I'm on here online trying to tell people. And of course, the algorithm won't let you know, one person see the shit. And they're really already kind of well aware what the fuck's going on too. This motherfucker better pop and die at 30, yo. I'm so bad. There's nothing else moving, yo. Like, if I had a homie next to me, I'd have been like, yo, $20 says this is the only one that moves. Or the first one that moves. Fuck. I've been taking side bets on it. Like, we fucking do watching sports. Dude, you hear about the fucking, the U.S. military's joining up with Israeli military in, like, 2027? They're going to join our CIA and Mossad, too. Give them control of all of our intelligence assets. I haven't heard a single fucking politician even tell me, like, why they're our greatest ally, or how. We don't even have any kind of, agreements with them or anything. Like, all of our other greatest allies signed paperwork saying that they come to our aid when it was needed. These motherfuckers, they ain't doing shit. Hell, you go back and look at like every conspiracy theory in history. It seems like they at the bottom of every one of them holes. Look at 9/11. You got the dancing Israelis. That was fucking weird as fuck. Or it was like this whole bunch of like I think it was like Israeli fucking art students or something. But when you look at all the pictures that they had taken, they had like detonators and shit like that in boxes. It was a weird fucking thing. And I didn't really believe it at all. I thought it was just like, oh, you motherfuckers are just, just a little crazy. Pop keeps saying Jew all the goddamn time because he's out of touch with the times. He just didn't know any better. And then they meant it antiseptic to say certain motherfucking words about the shit. And it's like, oh, that's what's happening. Because when you're in like a dictatorship type of thing, like North Korea, for example, like you can't talk shit about North Korea. Well, who can you not talk shit about in this country? You know what I mean? You could say Trump's a faggot ass Cheeto and destroying everything, and America is just a piece of shit. But you can't say shit like that about Israel or their people. Oh, God forbid that. Now you're a monster. Now you're bringing back shit that happened in the Second World War and them people. Like, it's bananas. I just thought it was like some worldwide globalist agenda to take over the world. It's like I don't think that that's the case, and that's just them being nice and trying not to get assassinated. Like Alex Jones, they got Alex Jones because Alex Jones is still breathing air. They got to Andrew Tate already because Andrew Tate is still breathing air. And then when you look at all of them motherfuckers, like they have ties to like some kind of three-letter agency, either like their uncle or their dad or something. Every single Tucker Carlson the same way, they all do. They'll tell you. That's the crazy thing. They tell you about this shit, like, because it makes you trust them a little bit more. Oh, well, he's telling me his dad was in the CIA or whatever. Yeah, well, I mean that's why he's on TV talking to you now. His dad was in the CIA. Or his uncle, or whatever. Yeah, the government is shit out. It's every government too, man. It's not even just this one. It's a concerted effort in every Western country. It's the same problem in the United Kingdom, in Australia, in fucking Germany, in fucking France, Ireland. The same exact MO. Same motherfucker look just like me, complaining about the same fucking problems in his country. The drugs, the women are whores, the fucking, the immigration is destroying everything, fucking raising the crime. Nobody can afford a fucking thing. But nobody wants to motherfucking do the hard things that need to be done to make shit right, yo. The non-peaceful protests. Because if you notice, peaceful protests in the United States don't do shit. Because, like, when the government don't want you to protest, you're not gonna protest. That's how you know that all the protests you see on the TV are government sanctioned, because you're seeing them on the TV. A real fucking protest don't get no fucking news coverage. They shut that shit down because they don't want people fucking joining that fucking fight. Like, fuck, the January 6th thing happened. None of them motherfuckers were even armed, and they acted like they were fucking trying to start World War II, like the Nazis were coming back or some shit. Like, what the fuck? Y'all gonna fucking, like, go, arrest fucking Meemaw, who was there to fucking protest? She wasn't even in none of the buildings. But, like, we ain't worried about none of the people eating or raping kids, huh? What's going on? They're deliberate about the shit too. Like, they are not even hiding it. No one going to jail. And that's when you realize it's all of them. And it's never gonna get. Fuck, Massey was one of the last ones who was like, or Massey, or MTG, or was it Marjorie Taylor Greene, Tulsi Gabbard? All of them, the ones that seemed like they were for us, and that's why they're no longer working for these people. Me motherfucking too, homie. Me motherfucking too. I appreciate you. That might be it. We'll see in a second, though. It's 9:30. It's 9:30. It's the time. It is the time. But yeah, it's been a fucking slow day. Normally one of these motherfuckers just rip, yo. Like the top stock on the day. Every Monday morning, if it's one stock up over 100%, that motherfucker gets a stupid ass move. I even bought this bitch early, expecting the move to come like at like 8:30. Friday was a fucking bad day too. I sat here. I think I made $5 profit all week long. Lost $35 on Friday. It was bad. Fucking doing a hold and hope. Yeah, that's how it is too when we are in them. They don't do shit. Yeah, because if I sold right here, like, oh man, I'm just gonna get out break even, this motherfucker would rip up fucking $5, yo, in 3 minutes. Every fucking time. Every fucking time, yo. I'm looking for this one to at least try to retest fucking 350. Like that's what I'm looking on for with this son of a bitch. With nothing else having to, being up right now or whatever, this bitch got at least retest the high day before it fucking collapses. I could be wrong though. Like Trump, like I said, Trump could be done said some shit in the last fucking 24 hours that I wasn't paying no attention to, and everything's fucked. Oh, that's a good sign right here. Big old bottoming son bitch. Off of VWAP. If the next one fucking goes back up, it's good money. We will see when the MACD resets. Give me MACD resets, yo. You mean VWAP resets? You're talking about this line, right? Because I don't. This is MACD here. It don't reset. It just kind of it follows the 9 and the 20. I want to say it's the 9 and the 20. It seems like it's the same. Matches these two fucking EMAs I'm using. And normally VWAP would have reset by now. Normally there's like a big fucking L-shaped fucking move with VWAP, either up or down. And normally it's like it'll either go to the bottom of that shelf or the top of that shelf. And that's about it for the fucking stock. Come on, son bitch. Come on. Come on, get the fuck through it. Get the fuck through it. Oh shit, I was actually in like profit for a second here. Come on, son bitch. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Rip.
Don't give me your heart, I'ma break it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma take it. That's how I do it. Yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah, be careful with me. That's how I do it. Yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma
Come on, motherfucker. Don't do this shit to me. Go.
that's how I do it. Yeah, don't give me your money, I'ma take it. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Fucking finally in some profit. I fuck around with all the shit crypto coin. I don't really fuck with the shit coins. Like I have like Bitcoin, XRP, like XLM. Like I got my girl on a couple of different like other ones too, like Uniswap and shit like that were like up real good fucking like last year. Now they're fucking not no more. But that's one of them ones though. Like I just wanted to hold a good amount of crypto because I know at some point in the next year that bitch is gonna rip and not stop ripping. Maybe not next year, a couple years. The digital currency is just gonna go and not stop going, and it's gonna be like fuck, I missed that whole generational fucking, you know, wealth changing move right there. Like, I want to make sure I get a piece of that. Because I feel like when they don't know who created fucking Bitcoin, when they're like, oh, we don't know who the fuck Satoshi Nakamoto is, and it most likely came out of the United States, it was probably DARPA. You know, DARPA, the CIA, one of our defense contractors. You know, DARPA's had artificial intelligence for longer than most of us have been alive, so I would not be at all surprised if they invented the new crypto. Yeah, we missed it. Seems like the cycles are off the chain. I don't know what the fuck's up with the crypto cycle, Joe. I thought when I bought fucking I put like $2,000 in fucking like XRP and Bitcoin and shit like that at the beginning of like last summer, yo. And I'm watching it, and it was going good for like a month, and then straight the fuck down, and it never recovered the fuck again. And it's like, what the fuck is going on? But it's not moving. I don't know. It's just a whole weird fucking thing. Like, I can't get the movement cycles for fucking crypto down. Like, I would have thought that with everything else being fucked, Bitcoin would have gained value right now. But I guess the people in fucking world power don't really trust it. They'd rather buy gold. Started in 2020, 2021. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I fucking knew about crypto in 2020, yo. I mean, I knew about it, but I wish I had, like, knew about it. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, like, 6K into a new trader didn't watch it. Yeah, that's the trick with crypto I've noticed, and it's like you kind of have to really get a year or so in, like, straight just watching crypto charts for that year. Like, you got to see like a year of crypto, how it moves, before you really can put money into the motherfucker and be doing it safely, I guess. My 6K went to almost 50K and dropped back to 13K. Oh, you had Dogecoin, didn't you? You got the Dogecoin pop. That shit happened to my boy. He said I put $70 in Dogecoin. That shit went up to $7,000. The next morning it was down to $300. I cried. He said I got up to the top of the roller coaster the next morning. I just stared real hard down. Oh man. I'm glad that shit ain't happened to me. Some fucking like life-changing fucking like 7,000x move. That'd be bad as a motherfucker. I'd go to bed like, man, yeah, maybe it is meant for me to happen. And then nothing. Yeah, that Dogecoin shit hurt a lot of fucking people. My physical therapist, he was over here, so he was looking, I was trading or something. He was talking to me about Dogecoin. Same fucking thing. He caught that big ass like 7,000x move, and the next morning missed it. Or it was down the next morning, you know what I mean? Like, great hurt piece. Motherfucker, quit playing with my emotions. Is anything else even doing something? Like, it's the wild thing to me. Like, normally I could see if, like, alright, this is going sideways because, like, this stock and this stock are both ripping the fuck up right now. But that's not even happening this morning. Like, I see some shit moving a little bit, but it's not anything that's got, like, oh man, well that's why I'm fucked today, like.
On my own again.
Come on, you little bitch.
I'm in a foreign land. There's another life.
Gotta get up over like 325.
I can't
I mean, out of everything, it still has the most potential. Huh. That's the only other thing I fucking hate too. They just changed the pattern day trading rule from like 25k to 2k, where like you can trade on a margin account, lower money now. But why did they not? Why would they have not made it so that you could trade with $100 all day ago? Like, it don't make any sense. The banks settle the fucking money at the same time, regardless. It's all digitally kept. There's no reason. What charting tool do I like the most? Like, you mean like indicators? MACD probably. It's probably, it varies. It varies. It's like, I want to say MACD, normally it indicates like when shit's moving, but like VWAP here is really like, it tells me when, you know, shit's gonna be up or down. Like if it's above VWAP, I'm normally in a safe spot where it's got a higher probability to keep going up. And then if it goes below this red dotted line, VWAP here, it fucking, that's normally like, it's indicating it's over. Especially if it goes below VWAP and below the 200 EMA, it's normally a wrap after that. Yeah, probably VWAP. Because I think I had one point, I didn't have it on the fucking chart, and everything was like still fucked. And I couldn't figure out why, and then I put it on, and I was like, oh, it keeps going down this line anyway. But realistically, I don't even think you need MACD. It's really just the 9, the 20, and the 920, 200, and VWAP. I feel like these are all like the most obvious resistance and support markers for most people. So like you can even see the stock. Usually it'll ping either down to like VWAP, or this one come down to the 200, and it'll hang out here. I'm assuming that's what you mean by charting tool. I'm still like kind of relatively new to some of the terms and shit for this shit too, so I might sound slightly retarded. Like I just kind of learned from watching YouTube videos and shit like that. I'm a lot further than I fucking was this time last year, and that's a hell of a difference. This time last year, I think I threw like fucking $600 at the shit and lost all that motherfucking money inside of a month. Fuck, inside of a week, realistically, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it hurts. Yeah, it was a motherfucking stressful fucking couple of weeks. Shit, I had I passed two prop firm evaluations. Like right around October, like the fall time or whatever, and blew both them accounts back to fucking back. I haven't tried again. I had like 10k in buying power I could fuck with, and fucked it all the way up. I keep telling myself I'm gonna go back and motherfucking do that shit again. I just haven't fucking felt like it, because it's a whole lot of like sitting here. You're pretty much here all day long doing the shit properly. Like I'd be fucking sitting here from 8 a.m. to like fucking 5 p.m. And I really don't want to waste fucking half my day sitting here in fucking front of charts to hopefully make some fucking money at some point in time later. Like, That's really why I turned on the fucking camera. Cause I'm like, well, shit, I'm already here anyway. I may as well try to add like another layer of like some shit. Get my voice out there. Tell people that the government are fucking us. And we need to do something to fuck about it now. If not, we don't have another chance here soon. They're gonna snap this digital trap shut on us and we're cooked. Once they start rolling out the robot dogs and shit, we are done. You can reason with a man. You ain't reasoning with a fucking robot. But yeah, this is a lot of like mental shit. Even like trading like small amounts of money. Because I'd rather it's the same concept, like $100 or $1,000, just more shares. But if I can't handle the shit at 100, I'm sure as fuck not gonna be able to do it at 1,000. You just basically, you know, do the same trades you would do, and just look at the percentage differences instead of the like the amount of money made, basically. So I'm looking at like trying to make 5 or 10% as opposed to, you know, $5 or something. And I feel like I'm not going to get a lot of viewers for that because nobody want to watch a motherfucker trade $100. But like realistically, most of us don't have more than $100 fucking to our name any fucking way that we could spend on shit reliably. Fuck, I mean, I'm down in crypto, but at least I'm lucky enough to say like I have crypto investments still. Like most motherfuckers, you try explaining to them like, "Ayo, Bitcoin at like 50, 60,000 right now. It's only going back up." They look at you crazy. This motherfucking shit. Well, buy that shit the fuck up. Buy it the fuck up. Big old bottom and tail on that motherfucker. Hammer green. Hammer green. I mean, normally this would be a great reversal indicator. Only trade what you don't need. Can't afford to watch disappear. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Yes, that's exactly how I've been thinking about it too. About it doesn't matter what it's the percentages really. Like I think most traders are trying to get like 3% or something like that a year. Me, I'm trying to get 10 plus. I want to make a real fucking impact. Cause 3% ain't gonna do shit. Like if I'm trying to turn $1,000 into like a large amount of money at some point in time, I need to be able to make big fucking gains and not lose fucking big fucking gains. Oh, I shit need to go the fuck back. TDSC up at 80%. But it's got trash fucking news. High float. Yeah, I'm still holding out on this one to rip the fuck up to like $4, yo. At least back to retest the high a day. If anything, just because there's nothing else moving. Like there's nothing over 100%. I'm gonna hold out hope it's just gonna come back for me. I figured it like market open. This has been the one to rip up fucking immediately. Like the obvious stock on the day. I feel like the volume looks trash for this thing too. I don't know what the fuck is going on in the stock market today, yo. I have no idea. It's unusual. That's the best way to describe this thing on a Monday morning. For it's either nothing's moving at all, or like the one stock that is up is like way up, or it's got like that backside move or something. Like it's not just sideways action. Like it's done made that all it's gonna do, and it's on the way back by now. This is fucking crazy. Like either I'm mad at myself for still being in the motherfucking trade, or I'm out to trade. And this motherfucker should ain't doing nothing. I feel like it's just gonna keep giving me hope, and it's gonna have like one big red candle down, fucking like 75 cents. It's gonna go from fucking like $2.80 to $2.30. MACD curling back to positive though.
You got it, babe. No inhibition. There's no escape.
We got some like buying volume coming in a little bit compared to selling.
I never dare to mention. You tell me things.
Yes, but well, that's what I was hoping to get at fucking market open was the fucking needed volume. Shit. But it's like nothing's getting the volume right now. Like even like NCRA here. What the fuck should that? God damn, I need glasses. Even NCRA though, it's a fucking what 20 cent stock, and it's only operating at fucking 300,000 volume right now, which is the same fucking volume level I'm on with Sun. So I don't know what the fuck's happening today. Motherfuckers are scared. Which is wild, because, like, they fucking just changed the PDT rule on, like, fucking Thursday. So more people should theoretically be trading fucking, you know, at least long right now.
No inhibition. There's no escape. No. 'Cause you tell me things. I never dare to mention. You tell me things.
Like, I figured after fucking, Thursday, there'd be just more volume in general on all the charts, and it wasn't. Damn. Yeah, bottoming tail that son of a bitch. Come on, yeah, let's get 2, 3 of them. I hammer the bitch green too. Come on rip. You motherfuckers. Yeah. Yeah, they don't want it. It ain't going no lower. Give up. Give up, shorts. Look at that big majestic bitch though, hammering all green like that. Come on, you son of a bitch. I don't care if you halt, just rip. MACD back to positive now. Everything looking good. The hope is there. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Rip through three. Rip through three. Come on. LFG pop off already? But yeah, you're right. This is great rejection right here. It's two beautiful. Look at the little bottoming tails. This one hammered green. I mean, it's. I can't see a better. I haven't seen a better fucking reversal indicator that this motherfucker coming back in my direction. You know what I mean? Like I just haven't, and it still might not. God damn. Like, if I was going short in this and saw these two big bottom and fucking tails, I'm done going short and I'm getting the fuck out. Above VWAP, MACD flipping green, stacking indicators, help increase odds. Yeah, that's what I mean. Volume's looking good. We got green volume coming back into it. Large amount of buying volume at that, too. Like, everything is indicating that this bitch is about to rip. And it still might not. It's gonna hurt my feelings, yo. I'm gonna be so goddamn mad. Like, everything's telling me it's gonna get a good rip, yo. Like, it's going up, it's going past 350 into 4. Alright, I'm gonna get some more coffee, be right back. Like, this one, it didn't do like a real like pop to the high day and fucking market open either. Like, normally they'll like top and tail like on somewhere up to here. MACD or not MACD, VWAP will move with it. So it'll have like an L shaped up or down. There wasn't none of that. This was just like a straight, like slow moving little dumb bitch. I don't fucking know how to feel about this thing. I know that if it falls below motherfucker 250 though, I'm gonna just get the fuck out. Fuck it, YOLO, whatever. That's a very clear fucking stop or stop spot right there. 250, 249. See, when you spread this bitch out just a little bit now, say you kind of like got like a line going from here to here, trend line, whatever. I don't think trend lines really work that well with fucking penny stocks. I think there's too much volatility for them fucking things to really be accurate. Because anytime I fucking use one, it's just me holding and hoping. Like, oh, I'm gonna put a trend line here. It's gonna come back. It hasn't crossed this spot yet. That's only like the only time I use them. MACD curling back to negative. All that fucking volume flip to the red. But they're still doing, like I said, higher lows. I just keep hoping this shit's a fucking good indicator that it's gonna rip at some fucking point in the near future. Come on, motherfucker. Oh shit, that's why. We got something else finally fucking ripped up past 100. INHD's up. Enter development service agreement with the AI service provider. At 4 million float. That's exactly what it is. Everybody's eyes are on that motherfucking shit right now. This motherfucker. MACD girl in the negative on it. And I have a feeling if this bitch gives up, it's gonna give up straight down to here. Okay, we finally got some more fucking upward movement, god damn it. Come on, bitch, rip. Fucking INHP is getting that fucking green candle straight up now. You get back into the trading game. Yeah. I mean, I would definitely recommend, like, if you don't have money in the bitch, just trade paper for the first couple of weeks, but yeah, I would definitely say if you got any idea on how to do this shit, yo. 'Cause working for a motherfucking, a paycheck and shit like that is not getting us paid. It is not motherfucking doing the shit that it used to do fucking 30 years ago. Just don't fucking trade like I trade though. You're gonna lose fucking money and be mad at yourself. For nothing. You bust your ass for nothing, yo. I was working at a chicken plant this time last year. Like a local chicken plant. I live on the East Coast, and it was like a major chicken plant, like well-known fucking brand name. And I had been working alongside guys hanging the live chickens when they come in from the farms. They're getting covered in shit, blood, piss, chicken guts, everything. They're making the same amount of money an hour as the girl who just started her first job at Dunkin' Donuts across the street. And they'd been there for my whole life. They'd been there since the 80s. And they made the same amount of money an hour as the girl just starting out her first job and the motherfucker who just got in the country last month. And no one at the plant could make it make fucking sense to me. I wrote a whole letter, got us all paid a fucking like $1 more. I was out after that. They had me start teaching everybody else like how to do the little shit I was doing, and I was on the way out. But yeah, it's a waste of fucking time. That's slavery, yo. It's slavery. If you spend, if you work at the same place for 40 years and you basically have nothing to show for it, you're a slave. And it's like, and I'm telling these motherfucking dudes, like, y'all just quit hanging the fucking chickens. Like, all you have to do is put the bird down, quit doing your fucking job, they'll pay us more. Nobody fucking do it. Oh man, y'all scared. Like, you scared. You were scared then, that's why they're fucking you now. I ain't for it. I ain't gonna sit here and be fucked. I'll kill my motherfucking self for all that shit happen. Go die at a fucking war or something. Hey, fuck all that. I am not gonna be no slave. I refuse. This shit, it's unfucking real. And then you look at like the dollar, like the dollar compared to when we were kids to now, and it's like it's not dollar like it's supposed to be. And it's not gonna get better. Like shit, I remember being proud. I was like, as long as you got a job and you worked hard, you were good. Man, that was a bullshit fucking lie. I was working fucking 6-7 days a week for 5 years, yo. And then it got to the point to where it was like my bank account was making negative movements. I'm like, how the fuck am I not gaining money? I'm losing money this fucking month. And I couldn't make it make fucking sense. And I couldn't. Then I started looking at the finances and shit. And it's like, oh, these motherfuckers are just deliberately fucking me. I'm making like 40% less than I was 4 years ago. compared to the minimum wage right now. Like, oh no. No, because minimum wage jumped from like $7 to $15 in my state. Our shit jumped from fucking $1.50 or some shit like that. A dollar, or not even a dollar. It's like, oh, I ain't not doing that. And then if you were already making $15 an hour, your pay stayed the same. You're now a minimum wage employee. Man, fuck all of that. And of course, like, you can't do shit in America because they have all these third worlders that are willing to work for less. They happy as can be to be here making that little bit of money, because that's still 3 times the amount of money that they could ever make at home. So, the place I work for only gets 3% raise a year. So yeah, you're losing every year. Every year. If that's all you're making, then that might keep up with inflation, maybe, according to the government's numbers on inflation, which aren't fucking accurate at all. I guarantee you that. Yeah, you getting fucked every year, homie. I'm sorry to tell you, but that's the way it is. If you're not getting like at least a wage increase that's greater than inflation, you're actively making less money. And the crazy thing is, the people who sign the paychecks, they know this. They're well aware that this shit's the fucking way it is. It's not like some, oh man, well our math was wrong or something. No, they're just like, oh, they'll take that little amount? Yeah, they'll take that little amount. Fuck them people. And then we get paid that little amount. And then everyone want to whine, bitch, and complain that they can't afford nothing, but not be willing to do the hard things to change the country so that you can. They don't even match 401ks anymore. Where I was at least did, but it was only up to like 3% of what you put into it. Which is another scam too. It used to be, yo, if you give your whole life to this company, we got you, bro. We got you. You ain't even gotta worry no more. And then they started to be like, oh man, we can't do that shit. Fuck these motherfuckers. Slaves. Damn, that's a big old red bitch. This one might be done.
Clock strikes upon the hour, and the sun begins to fade.
What the fuck is this? I will say, normally, at this point in the day, I'm down fucking 20%, and I'm hoping for it to come back up. They've been wanting to join my management. Oh yeah, yep. Just wait till like AI starts getting more in the mix, homie. Most management jobs are done. Because it's a whole lot easier to cut the motherfucker that you pay more money for that's leading the fucking team for some AI leadership than for the people at the bottom. At least till them Tesla bots start getting off the ground and commercialized. Like once we start seeing Tesla bots at McDonald's, it's a wrap for the American people. But like, you would think that, hey, we're gonna fight back before we let that shit happen. No, I guess not. They keep us comfortable, yo. Nobody wants to fucking, do anything. Or they're scared they're gonna lose their house, or they got kids to take care of, whatever dumbass shit. To keep people scared and complacent while they fuck us. Sad when I know more and have to train my boss or get paid more. Oh yeah, that's how it was the chicken plant, yo. I was walking around explaining how to like unjam machines and shit like that, for my boss. Mind you, that wasn't even my job. My job was to fucking pick up a chicken and hang the chicken on a shackle. I learned how to unjam machines and fucking pull the trailers around and all that types of shit. I was doing everything back there. It's just unreal. It's fucking unreal anymore, yo. And then it's like you could do the right thing the whole time. You could work that good job and fucking, do it, have a good credit score and be using your credit wisely and be perfect. And then like that job decide that it want AI over you, and then now you can't find a job anywhere else because every other company just did the same shit. Now it's like, oh well, but would you like fries with that? And those are your options. And with them kind of paychecks, now all the shit that you had on credit, now you can't pay them bills. You can't afford that house no more. Can't afford the car payments and shit, the cell phone payments, and then within fucking a year, you're damn near homeless. I turn around, she's missing a finger. What the fuck happened? Bro, I had this chick come at me at work in a panic, had my back turned, work, she asked me for help. I told her she's missing a finger. Oh, shit. Shit. See, that's why we shouldn't allow them in a workplace, yo. A man had just duct taped that shit, kept it going. Oh, man. That is wild, yo. I couldn't imagine. And you would think that she's gonna get paid for losing that finger, but no, probably not. Fuck, I broke the shit out of my leg due to like somebody else's fucking safety negligence and shit. I don't even have a case. Like, I'm getting fucked for like most of my money I'm supposed to be making. They brought her back and made her plant rails for a week and fired her. Oh, paint rails for a week and fired her. Yeah, that's basically about it. Because they couldn't just outright fire her. Because it was because of the medical thing. They had to give it some time for her to fuck up doing something else. She put her finger under a press die and activated the press. Oh, man. I keep seeing videos like that on I don't watch Instagram and shit like that no more, but when I did, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, yo, a whole bunch of industrial accidents. Oh man, it's some shit. Once you see it the first time, you gotta go back and rewatch it. Like, what the fuck did I just see? Oh man, you see some heinous shit. But why did this motherfucker just fuck the other fucking shit up like that? Yeah, work with a guy to solve his work. If you glove his hand. Oh, man. That's where you, like, peel all the skin off your shit, right? Oh. Oh, man, that's just the worst. We had some people do that shit, though, at where I was working at. They like, caught their whole shit in the machine. I bet the fucking photos are brutal, yo. Fucking peel all the skin off your fucking extremity. There's some shit you can't unsee, bro. God damn. Like I said, it's dangerous work, and we think that like something like that happens to us, nothing but bones. Oh god, we think something like that happens to us, and it's like, oh, at least I'll get paid. You ain't getting paid. This motherfucker needs to recover soon, or it might be fucking done. No, we don't get paid. Fuck. Oh yeah, it's wild. It is wild as shit. And I think it's like a psychological operation by these companies to make us think that like, oh, well, worst case, if I get hurt real bad, I'm gonna get paid. I'm gonna get a lawyer and get paid. No. Because, like, why would we want to be slaves at a place that, oh, well, if I hurt myself, now I'm more fucked? Like, they're not even going to help me out. Like, I was working like a normal, like, cooking job, and then I had gotten a second minimum wage job to kind of, like, make some extra money, and that's where I broke my fucking leg. And now I'm only getting paid for, like, 2/3 of the minimum wage job. And it's like, I ain't even going back to doing that stupid shit. Fuck all of that. Not knowing that, oh man, if shit goes wrong, I'm gonna be really fucked. Like, it's not looking good. Nah, it's not looking good at all, yo. It's not. Like, we need, like, real change in the motherfucking country. And I don't think it's gonna happen. And it's definitely not gonna happen peacefully. That is for goddamn sure. Like, all these fucking baby boomers standing up on, like, roadways and shit, holding up, like, you know, anti-Trump signs and shit, or the anti-ICE protest. They ain't doing a motherfucking thing. Like, you need to be protesting the people in power, not the fucking ICE agents. I'll make it 10K while they throw away hundreds of thousands monthly. Yeah. Oh shit, hold up, what the fuck did I say? No, they have the money and a whole team of lawyers. We don't have a chance. Yeah. Yeah, they don't. You can't fight these corporations, yo. Fuck, the same plant out, the same chicken place I was just talking about, they just had a lawsuit where they got sued for not paying their fucking employees enough. It was like wage theft type of shit. They brushed that shit smooth under the rug, paid people, and kept doing the same fucking practices, yo. Ain't shit changed. Ah, buddy. What you doing? You wanna be famous? You wanna be a famous cat? Yeah. Huh? Ah, I got a kitty. I got a kitty, look at him. They're so adorable. They're so adorable. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Man, it is stupid shit. Like I said, when Trump was like running and he was like, yeah, I'm gonna drain the swamp and we're gonna make all these changes and get all these corrupt, you know, politicians out. You know, I really was like, oh well, he gonna do it. We ain't gonna have to do it now. He gonna do exactly what the fuck, you know, he's talking about doing. It's like, why would he not? They tried to kill him and everything. Like, and I guess not. I guess fucking not. But yeah, that's really where it comes down to, either revolution or enslavement. Like, I keep hearing, and this is like great tinfoil hat conspiracy shit, but I've heard multiple stories of people that have had met them or whatever and shit like that, or people from the higher up, like echelons of government, shit like that have met, like, so the little gray aliens is apparently a version of us where we stay on this course of history right here. Like, they're just enslaved drones that have no sex organs, and they have like a jewel or some kind of thing in the back of their head that they communicate with. Neuralink, basically. Like, that's they're saying that they're us from the future, like from a version of a timeline where we stay like this, where the technocrats win. They get complete control of like human evolution and biologics and who has babies and how they're born, all that type of shit. Like, that's where it goes. Because like at the end of the day, like we're the best robots. You're like robots. Like it's not even close. Like, we replicate ourselves, we heal ourselves, we follow fucking whatever the directive was for fucking, you know, millennia. It's like, that's where it goes. You enslave us properly. You don't, like, the whole robot thing is fucking like a sham or whatever. Like their whole goal is to get us under control. And it makes sense, like, if you found a distant planet, you know, hundreds of thousands of miles away, is it more beneficial to send, you know, a fleet of ships or robots, you know, that you then got to build the robots here, you got to, get the fuel to get them to the new place, whatever, or you send a small team of scientists to the planet, you take some life that's already there, and you form it into whatever it is you need. And that's what the fuck happens. But that's the whole different fucking, like, level of shit. Alright, I'll be right back.
I'm staring at the cracks in the mirror, they multiply. Every piece reflects a part of me I try to hide. Shadow boxing with my doubts, yeah, they swing wide. Who's the enemy when it's me on both sides? Late nights, mind spinning, can't hit pause. Chasing highs, but the lows leave sharper claws. Write my name in the dust, it won't stay long. Guess the weight of the truth always felt wrong. Heartbeat of the truth always felt wrong. Heartbeat, it's like a drum line out of sync. Every step feels like walking on the brink. Lights flash, but the colors all fade. Am I real or just a part of the charade? Spinning and spinning, caught in my own maze. Reflections and echoes lost in the haze. Dancing with shadows, they know my name. The closer I get, the farther they fade. They say the mind's a prison, I built the bars. Dreams feel like galaxies, but I'm chasing stars. What's the price of being real in a world of masks? Every answer just leads to another task.
You said, what's the next trade? Nothing. This is it. Like, I only take like one trade a day, basically. Anything more than that, I tend to fuck up. So I normally just YOLO everything on like the most obvious to me stock at the time. Like normally, like if I have time, sometimes I'll do like some paper trades and shit like that. I'll go short, but at some point I need to do another, like start another evaluation. I think I was talking about doing it this week, but I don't fucking know. But it's normally just take one trade a fucking day. Hope normally it works at least a little bit, and if it don't, it don't. What do you want?
I'll keep spinning till I find my way.
But that look of your face, today's just not your day. Aren't you the one who chose this game? So why when it gets
Now, once I get back up over to like a couple $100 in cash, I'll probably start taking like 2 trades a day or something. Once I finally get back over 200, that's another thing. I can fucking double my money, right? I can double my money like once a month. Every time I get to like that almost doubled mark, I'll get from like 1 to like 189 or 190 something, and then the very next trade's red, and then everything after that is a fucking like cascading fucking downfall for whatever reason. Every fucking time. Or like next time I get up to that, I might have to just start doing half fucking, half whatever my full amount is instead of the whole bang. I need INHD to fucking collapse so that this motherfucker will get a chance again.
Didn't deserve what you put me through. Just cause she did that to you, I'm not your punching bag in lieu of. You need to be the one to face yourself. Take the initiative, just ask for help. I know where this came from. She had hurt you, but you know I
can't believe I've been sitting here an hour. It's already 10:30. I can't believe I've been sitting here an hour and it's not down more than fucking 10%. Yeah, I feel like that's probably the best plan. I gotta figure out how to get past like that $200 mark for real, unless it's like a mental fucking block. I don't know what the fuck it is. Like every time I just gotta get past the doubling the money. I gotta get back to that point first, but then I gotta overcome that mental hurdle. I don't know what the fuck it is. Maybe just bad timing every time. Yeah, 100%. 100%, definitely. I feel like this shit was a lot easier during the Biden administration, I don't know why, but it's like every fucking trader I see on YouTube is like, yeah, I got my start in like 2021, and it's like every single one. Oh, so it's like every single one of you assholes just saw the COVID boom and was like, just rode that shit, huh? Not even fair. And I think like Ross Cameron's the only one on YouTube that like started like earlier, but like he'll still say he got his big fucking move with the GameStop fucking shit and whatnot. That's the other one, GameStop. Like, it's not fair, man. I would have loved to have like been poised right now for a GameStop. INHD has passed this bitch on top stock on the day at like fucking 300% at this point. But I still feel like when that motherfucker collapses, though, this thing will get that pop back up to the high day. I'm a tax guy wrote put his savings into Netflix when the IPO opened, and then COVID. Yeah, yeah, yo, it's just easy motherfucking moves right there. He retired past his company off as a kid. Yeah. That's something else I'm trying to get a hold of. Me and a friend of mine, like some of these boomers that are retiring, getting ready to sell their businesses. So what we're trying to do is get a hold of like either do some real estate thing or like some basically like easy turnkey fucking, you know, like laundromats or some shit like that, car washes, some light shit that just generates money. Because like the whole working 9 to 5 shit, yo, it is not. That's just slavery. Like you either got to figure out a business for yourself of some sort or something like this. Yeah, that's what I was doing at the fucking chicken plant, homie. That's exactly what I had to do with the chicken plant. It was I had to get up at 3 and be to work by 4. And pick up one of my other fucking workers, you know, or one of my co-workers on the way, like. And by the time I was getting home, it was like 2, 3 o'clock. And I was doing that 6, 7 days out of the week. I think Saturdays I went in at like 8. But like, once the money started, like I couldn't go afford like my car payment, insurance. I couldn't afford all that, cell phone, food, and then like a $1,200 rent payment or whatever it is. You know what I mean? Like the average rent fucking payment for a fucking apartment in my area, like $1,100-$1,200. I couldn't afford that shit a month. And I was making the most amount of money you could make at one of these fucking factories without being management or maintenance. No way. There wasn't no budgeting to make that happen. There was no feasible way to make that work. And so I don't understand how people, especially people with kids, I don't know how the fuck they're doing it, yo. I don't fucking know. Unless they're all on government assistance of some sort, and a large swath of these motherfuckers are. You know, they just don't look like me, apparently. Because the government looked at me like I was crazy when I was like, I don't make enough money. Hell, unemployment ain't even cut me an unemployment check, yo. They acted like it was my fucking fault. It's like, the fuck? Come on. Come on. With INHDs on the backside, it looks like. I was lucky enough to be in a position to be able to buy a home 1 week before my son was born. Yeah, hell yeah. Lucky, good for you, motherfucker. Good for you. Oh, yeah. Shit, I didn't even realize how bad the situation was. My motherfucking girl, she had a house. Well, actually, it was her and her ex-husband's house in, like, you know, it was like 5-6 states away. It was far enough to where it wasn't viable for us to try to live in it or anything. But it's like, actually, it wouldn't even been a situation to keep that bitch and rent it out to people, yo, because like, she was doing that, and that's when I met her. Hell, she had rented that bitch out to her aunt, and her aunt wouldn't get the fuck out of the house or pay her the rent. Now that I think about the shit, so yeah, she's probably better off having sold it. Just to not deal with that stupid shit. Which is another reason why they allowed this shit like that to happen so easily. Like if you own like a property, whatever, and you got a squatter that won't get out, now you gotta pay an extra $100,000 to get them the fuck out of your house. Shit. But it's definitely good. At least you got some kind of like we did do. What was I want to say? We were able to do it before 2008, but I don't think that really matters. As long as you had a house before COVID, realistically, you good now. Because them bitches did like a fucking like a 2x in price in the last 4 or 5 years. But that's where the fuck I'm at. Trying to get up some money, get some property and shit. I just keep getting fucked at every turn, though. It's like I got fired from one job because I told them we need to fucking, y'all are fucking us and ain't paying us enough. I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna go find some. There's you know, other good paying jobs around this motherfucker. No, there ain't. Try going to like Walmart and shit like that. They only paying minimum wage. So then you gotta go get a second job. Like, and then I spent motherfucker like 6 months just trying to find a second job. But as soon as I found that shit, I broke my fucking leg. I snagged a 3% interest rate bought 8 years ago. It was a crazy time, super stressful. I bet, but I know you're motherfucking glad as fuck you did it then. Because motherfuckers nowadays are cooked, yo. Oh my god. I couldn't even wrap my head around trying to come up with the amounts of money you need right now to get a house. And then maintain it. Because then once you have a house, now you got a 30-year plus mortgage. Now you real slave. Because now you don't want to, you can't lose your house. That's what my boss told me at the chicken plant when I was like, you're in charge of this shit. You could tell these motherfuckers to do something or not do something, and they'll listen to you. He's like, I can't. My hands are tied. I got kids and a mortgage. And it's like, yep, that's how they get you. That's exactly how the fuck they get you, yo. You're a slave. You can't tell these motherfuckers no. And that's why we're in the situation we're in now. Because a whole group of motherfuckers too bitch made to tell the motherfuckers, no, I'm not doing that. It's wrong. Let me get fired over some shit like that, yo. Over doing the right thing. I'm beating the fuck out of everybody involved. Everybody within reach. It's the wrong way of thinking. Might be. I refuse to look at it like that. Probably. It probably is the wrong way. I don't remember what red dot was all honest. You might have to like remind me what I was saying, Hope. I won't imprison myself mentally. Oh, with the house mortgages and shit. Yeah, but I mean that's how it happens. Me personally, yeah, I refuse to too. I'm gonna fucking go homeless. I don't give a fuck. I got a tent I've been waiting to use. You know, giving those motherfuckers one more reason to hold me down. You know, yeah, yeah. You can't let them, and that's what they want us to be, is scared, fucking. That's why the older guys that I was working with didn't want to say nothing, because they were already, you know, 50 years in, and what the fuck can they do? They ain't gonna find another job anywhere else that's paying them better. Like, I'll find where I want. That's it. That's exactly motherfucking it. But I ain't gonna let another motherfucking man tell me what I will and won't motherfucking do. Only motherfucker gets to do that is God. Right now, they kind of quiet. I'm gonna get this shit figured the fuck out. I'm surprised that this motherfucker hasn't made a big, like, veiny red candle down below the 200 EMA, yo. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm kind of concerned that this motherfucker's still going sideways. Because I'm sure I got, like, other shit I got working on right now. I could be motherfucking playing RuneScape right now or something. Just watching this bitch go sideways. But I knew we were fucked when, like, the Nick Shirley kid went around and uncovered all that just deliberate fraud in Minnesota. And instead of the Minnesotans being like, hey, we need to do something about this, they were like, no. Keep the fraudsters. We want to save these people. Like, what the fuck? Are y'all retards? Y'all are literal retards. What the fuck is even going on? Better than crashing. Yeah. As it's crashing. He said got so much backlash. Yeah. So much backlash. Like, they really started passing a bill so that you can't uncover fraud in, like, California and shit after that motherfucker. It's like, if that don't show you what the fuck is really going on, I don't know what does. Right? That kid, there's another one, too, named Tyler Oliveira, who goes around and he does videos on, like, different groups of people in, like, different countries, like, or in this country. Like, he did a video in, like, India where they do, like, an Indian cow shit-throwing festival or whatever every year. And, he did one on, like, the crime in Chicago, and the Somalis in Minnesota, the Indians in Texas. But then when he got to the Jewish enclave in fucking upstate New York, that's when his whole fucking career started going sideways, and he started getting banned and shit. Yeah, there's an enclave of Hasidic Jews in upstate New York that all have like 8 to 10 kids and all live off of government welfare, yo. And there's another one in New Jersey, just like it. All of them Hasidic Jews. Like, you can't be a non-Jew and live there, because they won't let you. They're trying to pass a bill on no more hunting and fishing here. Like, what good do you think will come of that? It's just so that we can't feed our families. That's what a bill like no hunting and fishing says, is you can't feed your family unless you buy government fucking resources or from our corporations. And it's, oh, fuck that shit, yo. Fuck that. Y'all need to get them motherfuckers. Y'all need to, in Oregon, all you all have is hunting and fishing, bro. That's it. There ain't nothing in Oregon but hunting and cornfield, yo. Ain't shit the fuck else out there. It might not even be corn. I'm just guessing, but like, I'm just saying. I know it's agriculture and hunting, fishing. That's all y'all got. I live in motherfucking like bumblefuck East Coast, yo, where it's nothing to do out here but hunt or fish, basically. Like outdoor activities or drink and do drugs. Those are your options. Man, fuck that shit. It's another example of like, get the politicians, yo. Just get the people in power, because evidently they done lost the plot. They done completely lost the fucking plot. And another great thing that like they don't tell us, religion ain't telling us, is like, we just come the fuck back, yo. Like, if we keep on the same course and we don't do anything about it now, we come the fuck back and deal with the same fucking bullshit over and over again. They change the names of shit so people overlook them. Yeah, I bet. Oh, the names of the laws and the bills and shit? Yeah. Or they bury them in a fucking packet of fucking words and shit that are that thick that nobody has the time to fucking read. And then the other people that have the time to read, half of the people don't understand the shit anyway. Yeah. It's a scam, yo. It's all a fucking scam. It's a scam at like the top tier. It's a scam so normalized that we don't even know it's a scam. Because shit like this got started with like our grandparents. And our grandparents scratched their head and was like, that's a little fucked up and weird, but fuck it, I'm going on vacation this week. I don't give a fuck. I'm buying my second car. Fuck what they're doing. And now it's normalized for us. Now we don't know no better. Also, like, I'm a voter, right? So how come I'm not receiving the vote book in the mail? Oh, yeah. You would think that, right? Like we get a little packet or an email that tells us, hey, like, these are all the laws that we're passing this month. This is what your options are to vote on. We don't know what the fuck these people are voting on, yo. I ain't vote for none of these motherfuckers that are in office. So it's like, what the fuck is going on? Where's my representation? Because I know if I go in one of these meetings and start talking loud and using facts, they're going to have the police take me up out of there real fast. But, oh, your old lady gets them. That's funny. That is kind of funny. Does she vote differently? Is she like Republican? Is she a Democrat or something maybe? That shit's weird. But yeah, it don't make no damn sense. It don't make sense until you realize that the whole point of it is to keep us under control. Enslaved. And it's like, oh, it makes sense then. They just took the chains away and gave us debt, fucking paper money. It is all part of the plan, yo. It's all just slow pieces to the puzzle, man. Because if they did anything too quickly, we would all realize and do something the fuck about it. So we're gonna do this slow march into fucking oblivion. Like, they're already putting up all the flock cameras and the fucking, you know, the digital control net now. They basically have it where, like, they know where the fuck your car is going from the time you leave your house to the time you come back. And any time in between there, they monitor your cell phone and shit like that for wherever you're at. And then if they're monitoring one of them things, most cars built after like 2027 are built with GPS and a kill switch. So, or AI that detects whether you've been drinking or not for safety reasons. Because that's what we need is safety, because they give a fuck about our safety one fucking bit. Yeah, 100% tracked. 100% tracked, and if you piss them off, you won't be able to drive nowhere. Or you'll only be able to drive to, like, the 5-mile cordon you're allowed to. You can go to work, and the grocery store, and you come the fuck home. Anywhere else, your car shuts off. I believe it. Even delivery trucks that care with all the government contracts. I didn't know about the government contracts and shit. Well, even fucking, Hardee's and Carl's Jr., because, you know, it's Carl's Jr. where y'all are at. They partner up with Palantir, and Palantir's AI for their ordering system or whatever. Yeah, we're cooked, yo. We're cooked. That's why I'm fucking over here. Like, I could easily just be trading stocks by myself, you know, not on, like, posting all my losses for the world to see, but it's like, I'd rather have a voice amongst the people, or try to. Because, like, if I know what the fuck's getting ready to happen, and I don't do what I can to stop it from happening, then I'm part of the fucking problem. But, like, yeah, that's why I motherfucker turned on the camera. Because I see the writing on the wall, and I gotta do something. But if I don't do something, then I'm part of the problem. And that makes me just as bad as the motherfuckers doing it and all that. So they take photos of who, where you are, what's around your home. Oh, yeah. Homie, they got it to where they can fucking do a complete 3D mapping of your home through your Wi-Fi system. Like echolocation, like fucking, like the shit they did in, what, The Dark Knight Rises, I think? Where it was like the end of the movie and fucking Batman's like, yo, I need you to do this thing, and fucking, Morgan Freeman's like, yeah, and he turns on this supercomputer that turns on like every cell phone in the city and starts pinging them bitches. Same thing. They can do the same shit. Like they've done heard every like an AI has done recorded the whole conversation of me talking shit. And, like it's in a little database next to my picture. Oh, the conversations I had with my homie out on the porch, you know, I'm sure they're recorded because there's a fucking cell phone within the vicinity. Hell, I could whisper Alexa's name and the one on the opposite end of the fucking house will kick the fuck on, yo. I'm talking about this motherfucker is 40, 50 feet away through a wall, and it will still kick on because it heard me fucking whisper that shit. That's how sensitive these motherfucking mics are. I didn't, you know, want the Alexa shit. That was my mother-in-law, by the way. That was that. Oh, I would not advise for wiretap in the house. Which is wild to me because her late husband was all for, like, he didn't want a cell phone and shit because he knew that they could track us. Like, and she gonna just invite wiretap on in the house. Come on, wiretap. Hell, I'll have my fucking, the microphone on this camera will fucking switch. Because normally my mic's here on my headset. It will randomly just switch for no apparent reason to this mic, which will pick up everything in the room. And it'll stay like that. I'll turn it on and I'll be like midstream and I'll go to mute my shit. It'll keep talking. And that's how I'll know that, oh, well, for whatever reason, it switched back to this mic. And it's not even like, the crazy thing, it's not even like the default mic on the laptop. That's the wild fucking part about it. It's not a default mic or default camera, and yet it reverts back to this one instead. Not the laptop HD like array fucking microphone. No, it goes to this fucking one. Oh yeah, cell phones are no different. Fucking Snowden showed us that shit. Snowden in a good old Patriot Act. Yeah, it's not looking good, yo. It's not looking good. And then meanwhile, like, say they do cut the fucking power, like, they done imported fucking, 20 million people that are perfectly capable of living in shit world conditions. That are then gonna be, you're then gonna have to fight for survival against, to make sure your family's good. At the same time, they've been advocating that nobody needs to own a gun. Because you can't, be safe or, make sure your family's safe. So don't ever own a gun. So when that power gets booped off, what the fuck you gonna do when you can't boop 911 no more? What then? Well, it's as you getting raped and murdered by the motherfucking third worlders. The motherfuckers will be like, that's not what's gonna happen. But that's what happens every fucking single time it happens in history. So why would now be any different? Elder. I could play you the clip now where they're talking about rape gangs over there in fucking Europe, yo. Oh my god, it's the most sinister shit to fucking listen to. It's wild as shit. I'm gonna do as gold shit though, but like it was wild as shit. It was, and this is shit I was well aware of. Well, the fuck aware of.
Firstly, I would like to thank the 260,974 British men and women who signed the petition
This shit was wild to
to
hear.
make this debate possible. And I want to welcome these brave survivors who are sitting behind us in the hall. This debate is
Mind you,
about
this is
them.
the UK Parliament.
As you
Shit's
quite
happening.
rightly say, it's not about politics.
Where it's brutal, it's fine.
I want the world to hear
watch-
what
I
we
read the
heard
episode.
Wait, it don't work like
during
that
the
anymore
2
on
weeks
this.
of
Never
our
mind.
independent rape gang inquiry hearings.
2 weeks.
An inquiry that should never have needed to happen. I sincerely urge this Parliament to listen to the testimonies from these brave survivors and to act, to finally act. So the first testimony, he took his pants down, penetrated me, had sex with me. He then stopped before ejaculation. He picked up the bottle of Jack Daniels, which was now empty, and he forced it up inside me. He broke the glass while he was there. At that point, I was about 12, nearly 13. Another testimony.
Mind you, this shit's only happening to little white British girls, yo. And he even says the shit when he gets on up there. It's not any other group of people in the UK. It's just little white British girls that this shit's happening to. And I've even seen a video, like last month or so, where it's like a cop fucking sees a dude and a girl, like, in an alleyway that looks suspicious as shit. She runs up and is like, what's going on? And the dude's trying to lead the little girl away. And the cop finally gets the girl from the dude, and I guess the girl's like, he stuck his dick in my mouth. And it's like, what the fuck is going on over there? Like, why are they not just hanging these
I was
motherfuckers?
held down by the men as they each took turns to orally and vaginally rape me,
Holy
taking it in
shit.
turns to pin down my arms and my legs. When the assault ended, the men hit me repeatedly, threatened to
It's very important that he actually says this in plain English, because a lot of people, like, one of the reasons why this evil is allowed to continue is because nobody wants to directly even say what it is. It has to be verbalized. It has to be externalized. It has to be said, spoken, and revealed. Raw.
find me, kill me, and harmed my loved ones.
I'll
if
be
I
back,
ever
man.
man.
the
I'll
way it
told
is.
anybody
Some
what
weed, I
happened.
think.
Another.
Let this motherfucker do his thing for a
Comments
second.
were constantly
Hopefully
made
I'll come back and I'll
suggesting
just be
that
up.
white girls, the Christian girls, were viewed as having
Yeah, but this
fewer
shit's wild.
morals
This
or
fucking shit's
lower
wild to
values,
listen to.
whereas Muslim girls were described by some of the men as having dignity and higher moral standing.
No way.
These comparisons were used to justify the way I was treated and to further
Exactly.
humiliate and control me.
Yep.
Another. She was a white woman herself, who I imagine may have been groomed, and has obviously now married into the family, shouting obscenities at us. Throughout the whole sentencing, she was constantly saying, fucking liars, lying white bitches. She said to me that
That's the other thing that's really important in this, is that the families are complicit and allow it to happen. That's why you have to deport the entire families. You can't afford to take a risk of only deporting some of them.
God will be the witness for what happens to me.
Yes.
Another. Race did play a part and motivated the selection or demographic of the victims. Throughout my exploitation, the other girls I encountered or who were abused alongside me were almost exclusively white. Another. She had a baby by him, and his dad was an imam. His dad knew. And he got his son married and said that he wasn't allowed to see the child.
What the fuck?
They look after their own community. Another.
Jesus.
Over the course of the abuse, I was raped by multiple police officers in different parts of the country. Another. He put a cigarette out on the baby's face. Another. It started when I was 13. I was raped by probably about 600 or 700 different men over 3 years.
How's she still
Another.
alive? Holy
They would
fuck.
toot the horn of the car, and then a child would be taken to the front door by a staff member of the children's home.
Oh my God. The children's...
I was bleeding from both my vagina and my back passage and was so swollen I could not sit down. I told
Oh my
hospital
God.
staff my drink had been spiked and I did not know what had happened because I was too afraid to tell
Holy
the truth.
shit.
They did not ask any questions. They gave me tablets and discharged me. I was 15 years old.
What
Another.
the fuck?
Things would escalate around Eid and holidays.
Holy
Parties got
shit.
bigger, got worse, got more violent. More people involved, more girls involved. The parties were just bigger. Another. The main clash that I kind of had with the religion side of it was I grew up as a Christian. I would wear my cross because it was something really special to me.
Yeah.
It was just used as a way to break me down. They said, "Where is your God now? Has your God forsaken you?" Another.
This is the kind of shit that would get people to do crusades back in the day. And nowadays, you have a bunch of fat Seth Rogen lookalikes running on media trying to run defense for it. This is exactly what it is. It's a horror movie, I know.
It was all of the white girls in every home that I went to. I remember a man opening the back of a van, and I saw 15, 20 girls locked in dog cages.
Yep.
Another. Dogs were brought in, and I couldn't move at all.
So always keep this in mind whenever those people keep trying to bring up the Epstein files and how bad the Epstein files are. They don't really care about the Epstein files, because if they did, they'd be going after these people too. Because they're doing it on an industrial scale larger than Epstein did. Epstein, at the end of the day, is still only one person. This is an entire countrywide problem. It's an entire continent-wide problem, and it's happening. So never let them try to take the moral high ground with like Epstein or anything else, because it's say, oh, like all your owners are, you know, like they're Epstein people. Like, absolutely not. They don't actually care about Epstein. They only care about the way that they can weaponize it in a way that's beneficial for them. They've never cared about it, because if they did, they would care about this too.
I had nowhere to move. I think that was the scariest thing, was not having any concept of it. There were men around me, not horrified, not disgusted, not helping, but filming and laughing, making bets on whether the dog could actually rape me or not. And yes, I was raped by a dog.
Jesus.
The man just held my face, stared me down straight in the eyes, and he wanted to see me break, and he did.
Yep.
Another. I just want it to stop and
Yeah.
not happen to any other children, and for people to actually act, to do something, and stop being so scared. I could continue for hours and hours. All of us in this building have a responsibility to finally act. Not to talk, but to act. Our Rape Gang Inquiry report will be released in the coming days. It will change Britain for good. Thank you.
Wow. Wow. So there it is. And we need to start from the top with this one. I know I'm a very big advocate, as I said before, about holding the politicians that enabled this accountable. Now, how would I hold them accountable? I have no idea, but I would hold them accountable. And so UK will side with the criminals. Well, eventually they won't be able to. Yeah, the last one was pretty fucked up. It's enraging. Well, yeah, I mean, this is what they do. Like, I don't. Anybody who thought this wasn't happening is delusional. Of course, this is what was happening. And so, like, why would you not expect this to happen? So they'll try to jail Rupert Lowe. There's nothing better that could happen than them doing that, because it will make him a martyr and radicalize millions more people. So, like, honestly, I don't think that's ever going to happen, because even they know that. Even they know that's a mistake to do. So it's crazy people can be pro-crime and not be criminals themselves. Well, it's because they're just stupid. That's the reason why. They're stupid and they're ideologically captured. And Vladimir would know what to do. Vlad the Impaler would know what to do. He would. He would definitely know what to do. In a more reasonable and logical time, I think that this problem would have solved itself very quickly. Right, but it's treason, hang them. Well, I mean, again, I can't advocate for that, right? I mean, I can't. Now, what would I do? You know, I don't know. There are a lot of things that you could do, right? But like, at the end of the day, you have to get rid of these people, right? You have to deport them. And it's very important to understand that this is not done. You know, they say it takes a village. You know, it takes a village to raise a child. It seems like it also takes a village to rape a child. You have a lot of these people that are collectively doing this, that like they're all okay with it. They're all complicit with this. That means the entire village needs to get deported. Like, it doesn't mean that you only go after the, the individuals, right? You have to go after everybody involved. How? Well, I mean, it's obvious. Yeah, can't you see it? I mean, do you really think that the parents and the kids didn't know about this and that the families didn't know about this? Really? Like, I mean, do you really think they didn't know? Of course they knew. Anyone didn't know about doing anything should be executed, no exceptions. I mean, like, what would I don't know, like, and so yeah, I mean, I think that one's a little bit that's a little bit too much. I mean, it's too much for me to say that on stream. My opinions on it. Think about the most extreme and severe and awful thing possible, and that's not what I think. It's worse. And so, do you think about the Pakistan rapists that were caught and set to be executed? I did see that. So you can assume, like, think about it, just assume the worst possible thing and then assume it's worse than that. So don't worry about it, guys. It's not like, oh, well, I don't think that. That's not exactly it. And anyway, New York Times. So this is, and again, I'm very glad to see more people talking about this. And also, as an American, here's another reason why I talk about these topics is that beyond the shared cultural heritage and everything else about this, it is the fact that British people can't say it themselves. Many people in Britain are not able to say the things that I'm saying because they don't have freedom of speech over there. So they have to rely on people that are sometimes overseas that see these injustices happening, that speak up about them, and they have to either share the videos or something else, right? And so, like, that's it. So true. Exactly. Yes. And so that's one of the other big reasons why I talk about it for this reason too. What would happen if USA, in USA, if it happened over there? It happens over here too. It does. Like, it's really bad over here. Mostly a shower, watering it down, claiming it's far-right bigotry. Yeah, I mean, again, like, they're trying to water it down and justify it because it's beneficial for them, right? I mean, logically. And so duh.
Yeah, my bad. But yeah, that shit's wild. That's just the most wild fucking shit ever. And it's probably better I didn't listen to this shit again, because the whole time I did the first time, I was like, yo, just hang them all. Every single one of them. Ask them all nicely to leave. Peacefully, politely. And then when they say no, hang the rest. I don't fucking care. Because I know what's coming's an invasion. Most heinous shit ever.
All that I can feel is the space in between.
Motherfucker. Well, this motherfucker's fucking dead. I'm gonna see if it fucking bounces off of this or if it goes lower. Oh, the other one never stopped fucking moving. INHD still fucking pumping. If this one comes back, like if it gets back up to BWAP or whatever after this, it's got a chance. one of the fucking things where it's like, is this about to just go the fuck lower and keep going lower? Or is it just tapping this level and coming the fuck back? It also depends on this son of a bitch too, because if this thing is done, then the other one will come back. I guess it's not done. Some bullshit. Hold up. Right though.
Can't find another way. You left me with the choices, and I can't let go tonight. I'm not the kind of. I tried to warn you, but you bandage your eyes. There's no power that can make time turn back, time turn back. Time turn back. Time turn back. Cause at the start everything is great. The time goes by and all turns gray. It's like the law of life. What goes up goes down. Oh yeah. It's like the law of life. What goes up goes down. I tried to warn you, but you bandage your eyes. There's no power that can make time turn back, time turn back, time turn back. Time turn back.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling. Be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna
All right.
be a good
So it does not look good for me. It is not looking fucking good.
Tonight's gonna be a
Like, I don't get it. I don't fucking get it. I probably should have sold when it fucking fell here. But I'm probably just gonna hold this motherfucker for real at this point, because I don't really fucking care. It'll come the fuck back up towards volume weighted average price at some point in the day, and I'll sell it then. Whatever. Normally, around whatever time INHD starts to fall, that's when it'll come back up. As motherfuckers get off of that, start hopping onto this or whatever's the next one up. Or right after 12. When people get back from lunch. I say that because it didn't just, market open and, completely dump the fuck off. It sat here and went fucking sideways for fucking an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then had just one sudden, yeah. So I'm gonna see. I want to see if it'll come the fuck back off of this low. Come the fuck. It should come the fuck or retest like one of these 2 points at some fucking point. I'll just get the fuck out in that area. As it goes lower. Maybe the fuck not. Come on, hammer that bitch green. Hammer that bitch green, yo. If that bitch hammers green, it's a perfect fucking low point right there. Come on. Come on, yeah. Yeah, get the fuck back up there. This is not looking good for real. I kind of thought the next one was going to start going green. Yeah, it's probably fucking done. Yeah. I'm just waiting for what's called like a dead cat bounce. For it to bounce off the fucking low, back up to the fucking, up in here some fucking place. And then I'm just gonna get the fuck out there and call it a day. It's just a fucking shame, too.
So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now.
Yeah.
So let me
Yeah, I'm gonna get close to my buy-in, and yeah, I'm gonna jump on RuneScape in a little while. I gotta like go do some shit at like 1 Eastern or whatever, 1:30. But like, depending on how much time I got between the time I get out this fucking trade and then. But I guess I could just have it running the fucking background at this point. Fuck it. You'd be surprised though. It's like it's 9 times out of 10 it comes the fuck back. Like if it don't come the fuck back to like my break even, it'll come higher. It'll go higher to that shit. Like the 10th time, you know, it'll keep going fucking lower, but normally it'll fucking come the fuck back by the end of the day. I just wish it never came the fuck back, so I just quit doing this stupid shit. Like, the crazy thing is, though, it didn't even, like, retest the motherfucking, like, get back up the VWAP or nothing, for real. It just, I guess it did right there, huh? I guess it really did. I just won't pay no attention to it. Damn. I ain't counting that fucking little fucking bullshit, yo. Not when it was already doing this the whole fucking time. So no, what I mean is it didn't get no chance to like pop. Like normally it'll get up a little bit, motherfuckers be like, oh, I guess it ain't going no higher, and then that's it. It ain't getting none of that. Oh. But fuck it. That's what I'm saying. Like I wouldn't have counted it. That's why. I mean, with everything else, it was already going sideways between the 200 and VWAP already. So it's like, if it had done this again and then fell, all right, cool, whatever, that happened. But like, I'm pretty sure it did this at like market open anyway. Oh, 1043. Yeah, I don't know. I don't fucking know. It wasn't giving any real like, I'm a fucking tank indicator, Joe. That's why I said I think it's coming back. It's just one of them ones that there's another stock taking all the volume away from the fucking that would normally be going long. So the shorts are just able to knock the fuck down. But once, you know, people start, this one starts to fail and people start getting back from lunch and shit like that. It's all good. I just can't wait for like the booming economy again. Like this motherfucker keep talking about the S&P at all-time highs. I ain't really seeing it looking at the fucking penny stocks compared to when I started this shit fucking a year ago. Because this time last year, maybe not this time, it was like right around March, April of last year. It was like 5-6 of these motherfuckers a day were just running. And it's like you could just get on one and, you know, at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day, you'd be good. And I don't know, and I was starting to get on a couple of them. And then I don't know what the fuck happened. Motherfucker's scared. Yeah. Bro, I've been seeing other streamers talking bull market, this bear market, that. Yeah, we just been going sideways. A lot of these streamers are paid by these motherfuckers too. I've noticed that. You know, if they're not paid by a sponsor of some sort, you know, it's, you know, I'm sure they're for sure paid by some outside entity. Look, see, we getting that pop back. There we go. Like, you gotta think, though, for a lot of these rich assholes, folks like you and me, we're their exit liquidity. You know what I mean? They post a whole bunch of shit to Facebook, Twitter, Google sends out a whole bunch of shit. It's like, oh man, you all gotta buy now, so they can get the fuck out. I'm telling you, that's what the fuck happened. How many times did it pop above VWAP and get rejected? It's like once. That's what I'm saying. I don't think it was like that at all. I mean, if you're counting like this and this is like their own pops, I guess it got like 2 or 3 up there, but like it was just pretty much sideways here. Like normally, I expect to see it try to like attempt to get up to the high of day. I mean, we've got a 318. I guess that could count. I guess that fucking could count as the high of day fucking run. Like, not really. Like, if the bitch had cracked like 345, I'd have been like, alright, and then failed. I'd have been like, alright, that was it. That made sense. But it got up to 320. I don't know. See how high this motherfucker's gonna get back up to. Actually, I'm just gonna give it like another couple of minutes, and I'll probably just cut the stream, come back, and play some RuneScape or something. Well, see, this is what I was trying to do to begin with normally, is focus, like, I spent all last week focusing on, like, these kind of moves, like, alright, I know it's gonna pull back to the 200, and I'm gonna wait. And I would fucking do that shit, and it would either pull back to the 200, I'd get in, and it would fucking dump. And it's like, alright, or it would fucking pull back to the 200, and it would fucking only pop the fuck up to where I only made, like, a $3 profit. And it was like, well, fuck. Whereas I'm used to seeing it do that shit and then just continue to fuck on. Like, all the way to fuck on until to oblivion to the end of the fucking day and shit like that sometimes. It's like, it don't make no goddamn sense. And I'll be on the right ones. I'll be on, like, the fresh news, the fucking top on the day, shit like that. Still, I fucking can't get it. I'll be on like the one that fit like all the right criteria and like everything around it'll move for no reason. Shit like that. Larger time frame, maybe, but I feel like the minute's just better. I don't know. I get a more accurate like what's moving at the time. I feel like with these penny stocks, it's not so much like time frame wise. It's more like the time of day certain shit's happening. Like you get more volume at like 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9:30, and then like right around like 12:30 range, you get another pop on volume, and then the end of the day. So I try to keep mine like in between those areas as opposed to what does the structure look like at this time. But it might be better. Maybe that's where I'm fucking up. I'm on the minute instead of the 5 minute. I don't fucking know. It don't look any different on the 5 minute, yo. There is no visual change. I mean, it just scrunched it up a little bit, but I mean, it was like that, and then bam, that same thing. You know, so it's the same pattern. I think it's a matter of if it can get over this 200 or not, and then if it gets over the 200, can it get back over VWAP? And at the same time as INHD, well, INHD's halt now, so it probably will fail. That's normally it halts like 3 or 4 times, and motherfuckers start getting out of it. But yeah, I was trying to do that, and then I've also tried like waiting till later in the day. But normally I got other shit I gotta fucking do, so I'm trying to really just stick to doing this shit between like 8 a.m. and like 10, 11 a.m. when I'm fucking supposed to be done trading. Because I don't want to like change this up to, you know, I'd rather be sitting here than working like a slave. But it's like I don't want to be sitting here all fucking day doing this shit. And there's so much more I need to be out accomplishing right now. Oh, fuck this song. God damn, some of this music is trash. It don't make no sense why YouTube don't let me use shit that's on YouTube. Yeah, that's how I feel about it. That's why I'm still doing this shit. That's why I refuse to give up. It's like I got a good concept of it so far. And I know once I finally get the full grasp of this shit, I'll be great. I really gotta start using stop loss and shit like that too. That's half my fucking problem. But the problem with stop losses is it'll do some shit like this and then just come right the fuck back. Like it'll you know get you out bottoming tail like this fucking one right here, and then in the next minute you'd be up in profit or something. Like, fuck all that. Plus, I feel like it's better mentally for you to be able to push that fucking button to fuck yourself or not. Y'all motherfuckers should have seen me on Friday, yo. It was like fucking like 6 p.m. Friday afternoon. I'm in the sun fucking working on a fucking shed. And like every other like 5 minutes I gotta stop looking at my fucking phone because I'm still in a fucking losing trade. Place a few percent lower at like $5 $10 lost. Try not to get stopped out. Yeah. I've thought about that shit, but normally I'm fucking buying the shit too high. But it's a hard thing to explain with these fucking things. I want to say it's like whenever I use a stop loss, 9 times out of 10, I'm mad I had it there. So I found it was just better to go without the motherfucking thing. But you are right. I mean, it's if I could get in at the right low fucking spot too. I don't know. It's one of the things I think I'm figuring shit out a little better. I think the better fucking goal is to like buy the dips here, but it's hard to make sure that like that this was gonna be the fucking low or not. You get some of them bottom tails that like continue lower too. It's actually not looking too bad on the 5 minute though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because on the 5 minute it's still above the 200. On the minute, this bitch is cooked on the way back up. Maybe this is where I'm fucking up. Maybe it's like I'm looking at the minute before like 9:30 and shit like that. And that's probably where I need to be at. But after that, look at fucking 5 minutes. You know, after like 10 a.m. or something. But again, I'm not supposed to be fucking trading this shit this fucking long either. Because right now it looks like it's done tapped to low and it's on the way back up. On the minute, though, this motherfucker just going sideways. I think once I fucking get to the point where I'm putting, you know, I got a marginal account in this motherfucker, I'll be alright too. So then I won't be, you know, I won't want to hold the shit like my dumb ass does. So I'll be able to fucking sell out of the bitch and then buy back in later on. Without the fucking parameters of a fucking prop firm to fuck me up too. That whole fucking shit's bullshit. So I can get like a 1%, 2%, you know, on a trade without too much motherfucking struggle. There's most prop firm fucking trades that don't count for a win for them, so it's like you gotta get a bigger one. This shit is boring as a motherfucker, though. I know that much. Come on, motherfucker. Do some big, unexpected fucking green candle shit. Let's go. You know, some of them just for no reason. Just fucking from here to here, here to here. And that shit happens all the fucking time, too. I think we have a better buy on a time frame. It's possible. Maybe that might be where I'm fucking up. That might be it, too. But I think that's how I end up fucking trading half the time anyway nowadays, or more like, you know, on the couple hour like swing trade than a fucking, you know, a 15-minute scalp or whatever. That might be where it is I'm fucking up. I'm fucking trying to buy off the 200 on the minute every fucking time. I'm supposed to be looking at the 5 minute. Because I'm trying to do like a buy that bitch at 8 a.m. and fucking hold that bitch through to like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Realistically, that's what I want to do. Hit the fucking big move. Might not have to be glued to the screen all day. That might be it. That might be where I need to start looking into. I might try it for a little bit. Gotta remember to fucking put my chart on the 5-minute or something for tomorrow on my phone. Because that's what I do when I first get up, to check all the charts at like 7, 8 a.m. And then if nothing's fucking doing anything, I'll go back to sleep. Now I got a fucking fuzzy alarm clock that meows at my fucking door at like 8:15 or 7:55 or whatever the fuck it is every morning. Oh, he wants to grace me with the song of his people. Fucking INHD looks like it's finally like maybe on the backside. It's got to get fucking lower than fucking 200 or is it 20? Oh, that's the 5-minute. Alright, let's go to the fucking minute. Damn. On the minute, this motherfucker on the way down. I need this motherfucker to fail. More volume to come into this fucking one I'm on, and it not to fucking go lower. I'll be alright. But yeah, this being glued to a screen all day shit sucks. It sucks so much. Actually, it's glued to these screens all day that suck. I don't even mind sitting here on a computer as long as I'm getting like important shit accomplished or whatever. That's what I hate is when I done sat here from fucking 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and that's all I did was watch fucking the candles move. I lost buddy at the end of it, you know what I mean? Like, I wasn't even doing it because I was watching my profit. No, I'm just watching my fucking, you know, my shit go more and more red. I know if this motherfucker pops the fuck up on me though, and it don't get the fuck up over the level, I'm getting the fuck out on this fucking shit. They ain't getting me with the okey doke today. So yeah, everything like looking good, timing good. We're right about to be after 12. The other one's starting to fucking come down. If this bitch rips and gets through 320 and then 350, I'm in good money. And I know these motherfucking penny stocks just do stupid fucking green candles upward, or, you know, red ones down too, for fucking no reason. So it's alright to just chill sometimes. And this one wasn't giving me like the indicator that, yo, like I made a mistake fucking from the beginning. Up until it did this fucking bullshit down, I was kind of like, any kind of like minute now, it's gonna like eventually just ping pong the fuck on up here. And if it can't get through the high, then it's a crash.
I'm sorry that you messed up, but I don't seek revenge. I'm leaving with my head up, yeah, I know I can't pretend. I'm fed up, had enough, I'm so numb. Take all your bad intentions, go, 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 all your but you did enough to cut me off. Make like it never happened, and now we want nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger.
I think I'm gonna have to go through and have like AI do a playlist or something. I'll go through and do like a bunch of metal songs and have it like covered by a different, slightly different sounding artist or something. I'm sure I can make that work. I'm sure they gotta like have a free AI audio fucking thing somewhere that'll do it. Alright, I'll be right back and get some more coffee. Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me too if y'all aren't already. Well, I think, no, Alex, you are. The other folks. Y'all can watch me lose money every day. We do it together. Until like the days I stop. This motherfucking there. I just gotta get it. I'm fucking so close.
Come on, tell me what you want. Come on, help me understand. 'Cause it's gotta feel right, feel right, feel right if you let me know. 'Cause it's gotta feel right, feel right, feel right if you let me know.
Alright, so we finally got some shit happening. Is it going to tank this motherfucking shit, or is it going to keep going? Fucker. I want to see this shit. There's no real fullback before I fucking like, alright, get the fuck out of this.
Cause been with you, there is sunshine in the sky, although it's raining. Yeah, been with you, you're the only reason why I keep on flying so high.
Plus, I'm gonna just give it a few more minutes. And I'll probably just go fucking watch RuneScape, play RuneScape. 'Cause I feel like this is probably gonna be one of the ones that it don't fully get to where I need fucking it to go until like later on in the day. Like it's probably gonna just do this sideways bullshit for the next fucking like hour or two. So like fucking 3, and then it'll start to pick up fucking momentum. That's normally what the fuck happens. What if it motherfucking just rips the fuck up over to 200 now? We might be seeing some shit. I think it's got that good come the fuck back shape to it. Not compared to all that though. That's just disregard all that. Is it going fucking lower? Motherfucker. I don't know. I still see it coming the fuck back. Retest it over 3 somewhere. I don't want to put a stop at this motherfucker, but if it crashes below like 229 right now, it's going to the fuck out. I'm just going to call it a loss. But that's where I'm seeing the support at right there. All motherfuckers, buy that shit the fuck up. So evidently, this motherfucker looks like it's probably just gonna be one of the ones that take forever before it fucking gets any more volume to fuck come the fuck back, or it's gonna tank here. Probably gonna tank here. I don't know though. It didn't just straight red fucking line down after fucking 232. But I'm gonna hold the motherfucker till probably like fucking 3 subs and see what the fuck happens. At this point, losing what, another fucking $15 or 10, 15 bucks, whatever on the shit, it don't matter. I don't care. I'd rather fucking sit here and wait and see if it comes the fuck back. Like, it looks like it's fucking trying to. See this right here while I was talking about why I don't like to use stop losses. So I just be out right now. And this motherfucker probably coming all the way back. It might not though, I could be wrong. Could just go fucking lower. Probably airball. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna cut this shit here, and I'm gonna come back in like 20 minutes, play some RuneScape, and I'll let y'all folks know tomorrow how this shit turned out if I don't fucking know by then. Alright, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all folks in the morning. Or if you want to check me out over on Horror Survivor live stream, there should be a link somewhere in the channel. Playing video games and shit. So, I'll talk to you later, Alex. I appreciate you watching, man. Appreciate all the rest of y'all watching too. I do. It's great. It's great not just sitting here talking to myself, staring at these motherfucking red and green lines. Yeah, you see this is why I don't use stop losses right here. This shit. And then it's gonna rip. Alright. Remember, don't trust your government. These corporations don't give a fuck about us. And nothing's going to change unless we do something about it. And check on your peoples. Not everybody doing alright. Times are hard right now. Motherfucker. Y'all take it easy. Hopefully I'll see you later on, Alex.
Doing it for years. We're standing here for everyone. Your system ever wrong, they've known all along. The enemy was always you. The real threat wore a suit and sung a patriotic song while selling their own citizens and calling it strong. Stealing from your own people, making them bleed, taking tax dollars just to fund your own greed. They waking up to the lies, the illusions of burst. You screamed America first, now you put losers first. Make Israel great again. Your government is run by pedophiles.